Welcome to another vlog. Today is February 18th or 19th? 19th, sorry. So yes, we've been getting a lot of snow, like crazy snow, and bus has been canceled for a week now, and today is our first day back. And let me show you guys around what it look like right now. This is our current situation right now, and I am not looking forward to be digging this bus out of the snow, as this bus has been sitting for a week underneath all this snow that's been happening lately. So let's go get our coffee first, then we're gonna go to the yard and dig our bus out. So we're in drive-through here in Tim Hortons. As you can see how thick is the snow right now. There you go. You think this is bad? I was just in Aurelia last Friday, and man, it's even worse over there. So I just came from my work at the airport, and it's been really crazy over at the airport with the storm, shortage of staff, and recently 2 days ago the crash of Delta Airlines. You guys probably heard it on the news about this crash. So there's a lot of media. The aircraft's still there on runway 23. They're still doing investigation. So NTSB, FAA, and Transport Canada and all these people are there still doing their investigation, and I think it'll be 2 more days before they finish their investigation, and they'll be able to reopen runway 23 and remove the aircraft. Thank God there's no casualties, just I think 5 or 6 critical injury or something, but thank God everybody made it. So let's go get this coffee, and we're gonna go straight to the yard, and it's gonna be a lot of digging, guys. So we are on our way inside our yard. Whew. I can see how thick is the snow on top of this buses, man. Dang. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. And this is our bus right here. Man. Oh my God. Here comes nothing, guys. It didn't help that it's like negative 18 right now. So we're like cleaning this, taking out all the snow, and it's freezing. God damn. Man, I had enough of this snow in winter, man. We got it bad this year. It wasn't like this last year. So as you can see, we need to get our lights cleared and make sure there's no snow. There you go, all the lights. Oh jeez. Woo! Man, I hate this. So at least it's gone out. So so I got the front clean, but then we're gonna have to move our bus forward so we can do a complete walk around. As you can see, it'll be very impossible for me to go all the way there. and we gotta clean the back as well. So we're gonna move our bus a little bit forward, and I gotta move my car too. There you go, there's our bus. We're almost done, and we'll be out of here. This bus is still a no-go. We have another Bluebird right here, and our Lion bus is good to go. I'm just gonna leave all that snow on the top because it'll be difficult for me to finish everything and get that all that snow on the top. All right, let's go move the car. Man, done. I'm covered with snow and all that. Okay, our bus looks clean. Well, I did clean this before I parked it a week ago. So, alright, so we're all done with all the check. And it's time to go to work. Let's get those kids. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog.